Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with part 3 of simplification, and the problem provided on screen was the homework problem which was given in part 2. Before moving on to the question, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and leave your queries in the comment section below. So moving further to the question. The price of 2 saris and 4 shirts is 1600 rupees. With the same money one can buy 1 sari and 6 shirts. If one buy 12 shirts, so how much shall he have to pay? Okay, so we'll consider that let the price of a sari and shirt be X and Y respectively. So according to the question as given, 2 saris and 4 shirts is 1600, so you write it as 2x plus 4y is equals to 1600. And the next is with the same money, so that means it will be equals to 1600, but the equation will change. That is, one can buy 1 sari and 6 shirts, so that is x plus 6y. So what you will do is you solve the equation. Divide equation 1 by 2, we get the below equation x plus 2y equals to 800, that is our new equation, equation number 3. Now x plus 6y equals to 1600 and x plus 2y equals to 800. So you can use elimination method here and subtract it, you will get it as 4y equals to 800, that is y equals to 200. Now you can put the value of y in equation 3. That is x plus 2 into 200 equals to 800, and after solving it you get it as x equals to 400. So once you solve first an equation, you get x equals to 400 and y equals to 200. So cost of 12 shirts will be 2y, that is 12 into 200, that is 2400 rupees. Moving on. A sum of rupees 1360 is being divided among A, B and C, such that A gets 2 by 3 of what B gets and B gets 1 by 4 of what C gets. So what is the B's share? So we consider C's share as rupees x, then B's share would be x by 4, A's share would be 2 by 3 into x by 4, that is x by 6. So what you will do is you will add all the 3 share and put it equals to 1360, and after solving it you get it as 17x by 12 equals to 1360. You can calculate the value of x from here and it will be 960. So you can easily calculate B share 960 by 4, that is rupees 240. So 1/3 of Rahul's savings in National Savings Certificate is equal to 1/2 of his savings in Public Provident Fund. If he has 1,50,000 as total savings, how much has he saved in Public Provident Fund? Okay. So let the savings in NSC and PPF be X, and second one will be 1,50,000 minus X respectively. So then what you do is, according to the question, 1 by 3x equals to 1 by 2 into 1,50,000 minus x. So you can easily solve this. X by 3 plus x by 2 equals to 75,000. Now you get it as 5x plus 5x divided by 6 equals to 75,000. And x will be equals to 75,000 into 6 divided by 5, that is 90,000. So savings in Public Provident Fund, that is PPF, would be 1,50,000 minus 90,000, that is 60,000 rupees. A fires 5 shots to B's 3, but A kills only once in 3 shoots, while B kills once in 2 shoots and B has missed 27 times. So how many has A killed? We'll consider that total number of shots be X, and shots fired by A are 5 by 8x, and shots fired by B are 3 by 8x, and killing shots by A is 1 by 3 of 5 by 8x, and shots missed by B is 1 of 3x, 1 by 2 of 3x by 8, that is 3x by 16. So 3x by 16 is equals to 27, or x equals to 27 into 16 by 3, that is 144. So birds killed by A are 5x by 24, and you know the value of x, that is 144, so you can put the value of x and you get it as 30. So that means 30 birds are killed by A. 9 people are planning to share equally the cost of a rental car. If one person withdraws from the arrangement and the others share equally the entire cost of the car, then the share of the remaining person increased by. Okay, so original share of one person is 1 by 8. New share of one person would be 1 by 7. And increase in, we will calculate it like 1 by 7 subtracted by 1 by 8. So you, after solving this, taking LCM and HCM, if you're not aware of the concept of LCM and LCM, then go and watch the HCF concept explained in our aptitude playlist. So you get it as 1 by 56. So the required fraction is 1 by 56 divided by 1 by 8, that is 1 by 56 into 8 by 1, that is 1 by 7, your answer. So this was all about the topic of simplification. The problem provided on screen is a homework problem for you guys. And with this, the concept of simplification ends. Solve the homework problem and leave the answer in the comment section. In each last part of the video, there is a practice sheet for you. Solve it, and if you have any queries, let us know. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.